Okay, so before we do anything, we're going to address the elephant in the room. A lot of you want me to build a fully copped out Crown Vic, okay? That probably means you must be new to my channel. You see, I've been there and I've done that, okay? So if you want to scratch that cop car itch, all you got to do is browse my channel. I literally filmed the whole process from installing wraparound push bars to even installing a one-of-a-kind rear bumper push bar. I've even thrown in some lights for shits and giggles, okay? Now, for those of you who want to scratch like a kind of like a Battle Vic kind of itch, I've done that too. And I've also done the whole Mad Max Vic thing as well. You see, there's a reason I'm known as the Crown Vic Godfather. That's because I'm single-handedly responsible for putting this legendary car on the pedestal that it is today. A lot of people broke into Crown Victorias. A lot of people took equipment out of Crown Victorias, but nobody was doing it like your boy, Mr. Random, was. And I'm talking about going back years. You see, this car has proven itself in every city street in America. Hell, it's even proven itself at the drag strip. And now I'm going to prove just how versatile this car can be. If you didn't guess it from the title, I'm building a Rally Vic. So if you're a Crown Victoria fan, you do not want to miss out on this build. I'm talking engine upgrades, suspension upgrades, slotted rotors, all around carbon fiber brakes, all around full-blown roll cage, racing seats, and so much freaking more. This is going to be a build series like you've never seen before. Not only is it going to raise the bar for what you can do with a Crown Victoria, but it's going to change the Crown Vic game as we know it. You're going to see things being installed on this car that had never been installed on a Crown Vic before. So, if you guys love Crown Vics as much as I do, please let me know in the comments down below. I know I've had an impact on a lot of people's lives, and a lot of people have bought their Crown Vics because of me. I really enjoy hearing you guys' Crown Vic stories. Anyways, I want you guys to remember something. This is just a teaser. This is just the beginning.